How to fix DoorDash won't let me redeem gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix a DoorDash not letting you redeem your gift card, firstly check for the validity of your gift card. For that, you can check the expiration date of the gift card. If the gift card is expired, you won't be able to redeem it. Also, select an item within the price range of the gift card. Each gift card does have a price limit to it. If the price limit has been extended, then DoorDash won't let you redeem your gift card. However, if you find any of the technical glitch or the bug issue, you can open up your phone settings. Within your phone settings, scroll down and navigate to Apps. Here, tap on the DoorDash app. So the first step is to force stop your application and tap on OK. Then, head over to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. After which, it will let you fix any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. So this is how you'll be able to fix the issue of DoorDash not letting you redeem your gift card. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.